Unraveling Home-Knit. Discover its cozy charm. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're going to dive into a heartwarming phrase in the English language, home-knit. It's a phrase that conjures up images of comfort, warmth, and a touch of nostalgia. Whether you're a language enthusiast or someone just getting cozy with English, this video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also the feeling behind home-knit. Let's get started. First things first, let's break down the term home-knit. This phrase is composed of two parts, home and knit. Home refers to the place where one lives, a space of comfort and belonging. Knit, on the other hand, is a method of creating fabric by interlocking loops of yarn with needles. So, home knit essentially means something that is knitted at home, usually by a family member or a loved one. It brings to mind images of warm sweaters, cozy scarves, and comfortable hats, all made with personal care and affection. Now, let's explore the symbolic meaning of home knit. This phrase goes beyond its literal sense to evoke feelings of comfort, care, and love. A home knit item is not just a piece of clothing. It's a symbol of the care and time someone has invested in making something special for another. It represents a connection to home, tradition, and family values. When someone says something is home knit, they're often implying that it's made with a lot more than just yarn. It's made with heart and soul. To help you understand how to use home knit in conversation, let's look at some examples. 1. My grandmother gave me a home knit sweater for my birthday. Here, the phrase describes a sweater knitted by a family member, imbued with love and care. 2. There's nothing like wrapping up in a home knit blanket on a cold night. This sentence captures the warmth and comfort associated with a hand-knitted item. I hope this video has warmed your heart to the charming phrase, home knit. It's a term that beautifully blends the literal and symbolic, offering a glimpse into the deep connections and affections that language can convey. Whether you're wrapped up in a home knit scarf or just appreciating the concept, remember that language is not just about words. It's about the stories and emotions they carry. Keep learning and stay cozy with English.